Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to win more rapid fire matches in COD Warzone Mobile. While to do that, master weapon recoil. Practice controlling weapon recoil for sustained accuracy during rapid fire. Use lightweight loadouts. Opt for lightweight loadouts to maintain agility and mobility. Prioritize movement. Constantly move and strafe to make yourself a harder target to hit. Learn map layouts. Memorize map layouts to anticipate enemy movements and flank routes. Utilize hipfire. Practice hipfire accuracy for close range encounters, saving precious time aiming down sight. Use grenades strategically. Employ grenades to flush out enemies from cover or clear out crowded areas. Communicate with teammates. Coordinate with your team for synchronized attacks and covering fire. Stay aware of surroundings. Keep an eye out for environmental cues and enemy movements to stay one step ahead. Utilize perks wisely. Choose perks that complement your playstyle and provide tactical advantages. Upgrade armor regularly. Prioritize upgrading your armor to withstand enemy fire and prolong your survival. Master slide cancelling. Practice slide cancelling to maintain momentum while quickly transitioning between movements. Utilize high ground. Control elevated positions to gain a tactical advantage and better sight lines. Play aggressively. Push aggressively when the opportunity arises to catch opponents off guard. Use audio cues. Pay attention to sound cues like footsteps and gunfire to locate enemy nearby. Practice quick weapon switching. Master quick weapon switching to adapt to changing combat situations swiftly. Optimize settings. Fine-tune your control settings for maximum comfort and responsiveness. And that's how to win more rapid-fire matches in COD Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.